3, 2, 1. That look down one was good. 3, 2, 1. Three, two, one. One more. And then gaze this way. There we go. 3, 2, 1. But then chin up a little higher. 3, 2, 1. And 3, 2, 1. And then add the hair fix. Let's do that. Same, good. Three, two, one. Okay, one more time. 3, 2, 1.
Today we're going to go through the process I use to edit my portraits using Lightroom and Photoshop. So without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm going to put on one of my presets. I like this one. Let's tweak it a little bit. Bring this back, increase, decrease the highlight, decrease it just right there. Put that back to 0. Lower the white just a little bit. Move this over. Give it some more contrast. I like how the colors look. We can just leave it like that. Yeah, keep that right around there. A little bit of noise reduction. Turn off the grain. Turn off the vignette. Tweak that. Looks really good. Just fix the crop a little bit. And then we're gonna edit this in Photoshop. So what we're gonna do is make a copy. Then this layer, we're gonna clean up anything like scars, acne, things like this. You could put an adjustment layer with black and white, lower the yellow, lower the red. Helps you see all the little things in the skins that you can touch up. Just make sure you select the layer, obviously. Otherwise it's not gonna fix it. Looks good. You can delete this after. Copy that. So it's the corrected layers. Then I'm gonna do the frequency separation. You can just get this tool, saves you a lot of time. Just put those settings on there. Basically separates the texture from the colors. And then I delete that layer. I make a copy of the bottom one. Turn off the texture. Now you could use the mixer brush and blend the colors like so. Now when you turn on and off, you can see the difference. After that, you can make a, you can make a highlight layer like so. Invert like that. Make sure you have your brush selected and foreground is white. And then you could color in the highlights wherever you want. Like right here, there, here's some highlights, and there's highlights. And before, after. Then basically it looks like that. Lower the opacity. You hit save. Take this back to Lightroom and finish up there. You also don't want to crop until you're exporting. That way you have 2 resolution ready, or 2 ratio, just in case you need a 2:3 or 4:5. So finish up here. Basically it just lowers this a little bit and adds some grain, cleans up everything, a little vignette, and a little noise reduction. And then I like to have the 115 in the highlights, just a little bit, 4, 5, 6 on the saturation. And then you could have this wherever works. Opposite of green, it looks nice on this side. You can even do, blue or an orange, wherever you feel. Just enough where it balances out with the green. Before, after. Just a nice final touch. You can export as is or crop for Instagram. I like to crop it like that. Mid thigh. Give some headspace. Export. And then make sure you pick the right location. Let's export it here with You can have it 100. 75 works really well for Instagram. 72 because you're not printing for resolution, and export. And then that is it.